What's up, everybody? This is Ashman Card Junkie, and today we got a Paradox Rift Scarlet and Violet booster bundle box, and it has 6 booster packs in it. So let's jump into it and see what we can get. Alright. 6 packs. Let's see what we get. Remoraid, Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Gimmighoul, Professor Turo's Scenario, Mienshao, Rika, Charcadet, Mantikai, Chiyu. Alright. It's nothing special yet. Hopefully it picks up. Mantikai, what am I doing? Gabite, Minion, Spinda, Tulip, Veluza, Chantal, Elekid, Garbodor, and Aegislash. Can never say that right. Third pack, 3 packs left. Purloin, Mienfoo, Foroseed, Gibble, Screamtail, Professor Sadia's Vitality, Minior, Snorunt, Deoxys, and Tinglu. Alright, still nothing too great. Alright. Parasol Lady, Porygon 2, Loudred, Remoraid, Cyclizar, Semizier, Crobat, Wochien, Iron Valiant EX. Nice. That's what we're talking about. And a Garganicle. Alright. First hit of the little bundle box. Beautiful card. Iron Valiant EX. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. 2 packs left. Pluton, Tandemus, Toadschool, Toxel, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Clough, a Larry, Phoebus, Latos. Alright, last pack, magic or tragic? Let's see. Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Natu, Purloin, Rourke, Minor, Simipour, Dweeble, Crustle, and Thievul. Oh, nothing too spectacular, but we did get that Iron Valiant, which is a beautiful card. But that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, turn on notifications, and drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite... Well, I mean, there were too many cards, but let me know what you thought of today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, until next time, peace.